Hello, juice lovers. Welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in. Let's make a healthy purple juice. Today, we are going to be making a fresh, vibrant juice that is not just delicious, but also loaded with nutrients that will do our bodies good. Starting off this recipe is fresh pineapple. If you're regular on this channel, you already know that fresh pineapple is one of my foundation juice ingredients. Pineapple feels good, tastes good, and contains all the healthy nutrients we need to build our immunity, keep our skin glowing from inside out, helps our bodies fight inflammation and flush out toxins that try to ruin our system. It helps our digestive health and reduce bloating. Now that we are done with our pineapple, let's get the VIP into the building. Yes, that's purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is rich in vitamin C and K. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Wow. Simply put, purple cabbage will not just add that vibrant purple color to this juice, it will boost our immunity, improve our skin health, promote digestion, great for bone health, fight inflammation, purge out free radicals from our system, and much more. So, purple cabbage is that secret, highly nutritious ingredient that nobody tells you about, but I am telling you about it. So in prepping my purple cabbage, I love to take off the top layers just to prevent any contamination. I don't believe celery needs any introductions, but if in doubt, celery is one of my favorites in my juices. Celery is rich in vitamins A, K, and C, therefore making it perfect for skin health, immunity, bone health, the eyes, and so on and so forth. One main reason I add celery to it, apart from the calm and all of these benefits, is the fact that it is rich in natural water, making it perfect for hydration. So adding celery to this juice will boost the volume of the juice and make it refreshing, rehydrating as we receive all its benefits. Let's put our hands together for celery. As excited as we are about celery, I want to remind you, don't get carried away. Make sure you wash celery thoroughly. It can come with a lot of hidden dirt. So I love to break it up, cut it up, sponge it properly, and rinse. Knowing that hygiene is critical to juicing. We are also adding to this juice fresh lemon and fresh ginger. If you're regular, I'm sure that you're not surprised about this. These two will add that extra zinc and spice to our juice to kickstart our metabolism. They are both powerhouse of nutrients that does our bodies good, especially our digestive system. I'll let you leave in the comment section more of the benefits of adding lemon and ginger to our juice. That is your assignment as I do the hard work of prepping them for the juice. It's really nothing to cut here, so just dice this. Fresh mint leaves are our last but not the least ingredients. It's a case of small but mighty. It comes with that added flavor, minty flavor that helps to keep us refreshed, cool, and boost our digestive health. It helps to reduce bloating and keeps our breath fresh. Fresh mints are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to reduce inflammation and ward off unwanted toxins and free radicals in our bodies. So just like all our other ingredients, we wash our small but mighty nutritious fresh mint leaves. Just before the action of juicing commences, I will remind you to like this video, and this is our prepared stuff. Are you ready? Let's juice. Today we are going to be juicing with our Nama J2 juicer. We are done. Thank you, Nama Juicer, for the hard work. Now look at this. So the chaff nice and dry, just a little, but look at the massive juice. It's always amazing to me how we manage to get so much fluid out of our juices without actually adding any water at all. Look, just take a look at this jar of good health. Take a look at this liquid nutritious gold that will do our bodies good. I will remind you once again, make food your medicine. This does not contain any additives or preservatives, just fresh fruits and vegetables that you get in your regular grocery stores. I'll remind us again of the ingredients here. The color purple comes from red cabbage. We have pineapple to sweeten it up, celery to boost fluid intake, and of course, we have ginger, lemon, fresh mint leaves. All together, a powerhouse juice. A highly nutritious morning juice or after workout. It is loaded with relevant nutrients that boost immunity, support digestive health, loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help secure our bodies, combat inflammation, free radicals plus toxins from our bodies. It is hydrating and refreshing. What more can we ask for? Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. If you've enjoyed this video and you've not liked, then click that like button to promote the video. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. Remember your assignments, the benefits of lemon and ginger in our juice. And until I see you in my next video, I remind you once again, make food your medicine. Bye-bye.